the motor will be connected directly. So I don't need any extra component between VFD and motor for the motor protection, because the VFD itself, it will monitor the health of the motor and it will protect by itself. If for example there is a overcurrent going towards the motor, the VFD will trip and it will display. And you see symbol with the VFD and with the motor, earthing signal or grounding. So this grounding is must. It's highly recommended at the motor side and at the VFD side. Now between VFD and motor, the cable length should not exceed 100 meters, and even 100 meters is a big number. Try to keep the VFD as close to motor as possible. Next we see, along with the VFD, there is a DBR unit. DBR is brake resistor, and it all depends on the application. And next we see DC choke. Now this DC choke is optional. Now as you know, VFD is an electronic device and it will generate harmonics in the electrical network. So to reduce the harmonic, we have option to install DC choke. So this was all about the power section. In upcoming slides, we will discuss the control section.